There's a party here, guys.
Always a party.
You're leaving?
Yeah.
We just started filming.
Sorry, dude.
Okay.
Go home,
can I do
bro.
a close-up on your beard?
Yeah, dude, of course.
Bye, Sean. Bye, Justin. See you, James. Whoa, this looks good, Sean. This is gonna be good, huh, Sean? Sean's car's just been hiding in the corner, and now look at it. Woo! See you tomorrow. Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, we're seeing him tomorrow.
Let's get this bitch running.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, we're doing things in there still, but with Ray Cam now. Gotta go. Dinner, mac and cheese. Renee's eating leftovers.
Yeah, don't touch it. This is Dan's favorite.
Yeah, that's Denny's skillet meal.
My leftovers.
It's like a $9 meal, but
It's $10.49.
whoa, okay, it's $10.49, so it's pricey, but those are good. So if you're driving to Florida, you're allowed to stop once in the 48 hours it takes to get there to eat one meal. The rest of the time, you better eat chips and like gas station food,
That was such
hot dogs.
a memorable meal for us.
Mhm.
For some reason.
Ooh, fun fact: we powered up the ECU. It worked first try. Don't have to change one of those crazy wires. Oh, and then you guys, let me go this way. You kept like saying, "Hey," or people were saying on the different comments, "Why don't you use a power distribution module?" And the people that don't know what that is, PDM. There's many companies that make it, but guess what, guys? I know what PDMs are. This guy had a PDM. That was in 2008, so like before maybe you guys even knew what a PDM was. I had it in a Supra already. And you're like, why wouldn't you do it? They're like $3,000 for a PDM. So if I do it, it'll be in the comp car. Definitely not that car. I just want this to be reliable and simple and like effortless to fix, not even needing a laptop basically. Like, is you can troubleshoot it just by like checking a fuse or checking little things like that. And I know where every wire goes, and this is like tried and true old school way that doesn't fail. So I will put a PDM in Rory's car, and I probably will put one in my car, and for sure in the future the comp car will have it. And when I build that Supra, the blue one right there, to like the craziest Supra you guys are ever gonna see, that will have a PDM. But for now, we're doing it this way. It's not necessarily simple to make that, but it's simple to work on it, and it makes sense to all the people that may be helping as like my pit crew, so we can troubleshoot and fix it when we're at the track. So everything checks out, everything works. We tried power on everything. I got everything up here on these little, I don't even know what those are called technically, but they just bolt on there that hold a zip tie. So I use M5 nut zerts up into the chassis metal and then bolt them down, and then we zip tie stuff on there, and I have a couple rows of them up there. So tomorrow I'll label the ones we do need and don't need, and we'll try and populate all this here. I'm going to try triggering. These are where the low sides will trigger, but I can just make a ground and trigger all these right now and see if it's working to the back chassis. Watch fans and pumps come on. Well, not pumps yet because I haven't finished the female side of the clip for the pump wires. And I need to label these fuses what they are, and I need to relabel these fuses because I don't like that one and that one. There's a cool suit which isn't in here yet. It'll just be to a plug for when I do have it. This is a brake. ECU, that's starter, and make labels for underneath the toggles because they're all working. That's about it. And we could put the rear firewall in tomorrow. Then this wiring back here. Tomorrow will be a long day, but if I do that and write out a good wire diagram, so it's like a sheet that comes with us in the car, and then I email that same sheet to Ian. Ian's our tuner, and then Ian will have it, I have it, so if there's something weird at the track, you basically just pull up the email on your phone, and your phone can help you fix the problem. This was a lot of work, but I'm genuinely happy with everything that's in here so far. There's more to show you guys tomorrow. Then we can put all our Sparco stuff in there. I have a hand-me-down Sparco driver and passenger seat from the comp car from a couple years back. Sparco set me up with this hub spacer because I need to bring the wheel closer. They set me up with this hub adapter, Toyota to 6-bolt for Sparco, and then harnesses. I don't normally want blue harnesses. They were out of black at this time to have a matching set. The more I think about it, it'll be kind of cool, and then it shows something different. If there's in-car footage, you can definitely see, oh, blue harness means practice car, something to stand out different. I need to put this pedal stop for the gas pedal in, and I need to put this guy back in, the windshield wiper, and then wire that end of it just to the faster one, because I don't need intermittent slow, I just need fast, because we're going fast. I like to go fast, so we need to bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch. Oh, you could probably do it tomorrow, huh? Oh, I forgot we have a clutch bleeding machine. One-man job now. Boom. His name's Chester today.
Chester.
No.
Vance Mr. Chester Plester.
Whoa, some of it I can't even say. It's getting closer, guys. I think we're gonna make it. Let's go see what Joe's doing. Oh, you used them back here?
Yeah.
That's danger level 10.
How so?
Because if you're like in the middle of a run and it pops open, disqualified. FD rules.
Yeah, but these have a little bit of flexibility, so I can kind of like hit it either way, and they'll stretch out, but they're not gonna just let go probably.
Cool.
Yeah, but that was the only thing I could think of that actually had some flexibility
Yeah.
to hold the trunk shut, you know?
Yep.
So I think that'll be alright.
That's true. You won't hit. Oh, if it's not during a FT run, if he's just doing Pro-Am, they might not care, but I think they have that same rule.
I would think so.
I think they do, because they want you to like be ready. Well, we'll see. If it doesn't work, then you'd have to do like pins or something. Remember like how the back of Osbo's car, like how Papadakis does it? I know you've looked at it. Even though it swings down, it still has like a hood pin.
Yeah. Or like Amir's car, how it just has pins there.
Up top, yeah. Ooh, these 3 vehicles are gonna make it. Wait, these 4 vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're all going to Winter Jam. What's under the tarp, guys? Guess what's under that tarp? All right, no one's here anymore, guys. Well, yeah, it's Renee's here.
I'm done working.
Renee's here, but there was like a party of people here earlier. Labeled, tested, it works. Hey guys, look. Party in the back. It's coming back on a full-size wing. We just gotta do the wiring to the front, and then I finished the stuff back here. We were trying to put 90s on here for our vacuum in and out. For some reason, that's not 1/8 MPT, it's 1/8 27, so it's just a straight fitting, and we can't put MPT in there, and you can't re-tap that open wider. One more weekend of long days. We're gonna have a party, and then talk to Frederick Osbo a little bit, and he's gonna be up there. I think he wants to drive this Supra a little bit, and then I'm gonna be driving that one, and they're gonna do Supra tandems together.
That will be really cool.
Yeah.
I'm excited for that.
You might have to ride with one or two of us.
Yay! Is Hunter going?
Hunter's going.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Maybe we can switch
Okay, that'll be cool.
if she wants to.
We'll have to see what she says. I can't wait. All right. Good night, everyone. See you in the morning. Well, there's like little details. She thinks the engine bay's done. It's never done. Never done.
They're all
We still have a couple vacuum lines, guys. That's about it. Vacuum lines and some PTB sleeve over the vacuum lines. This vacuum line and the sleeve you can get on radpartstore.com. Are you touching me?
Maybe?
Ooh.
On your phone.
This vacuum hose is HPS silicone, but it has the thick wall, which is good for boost. That's also on our website. Check it out. Keeping it tight on the little push-on areas. See? It's what you need in life. Ow. We found the right fittings. What I did is I tapped a Mac valve for the right thread pitch, because that's how weird I am about details. So now we can have black, anodized black aluminum XRP push-on barbs here and here. Thank God for that, because we didn't want any brass fittings on the car. We bled the brakes, bled the clutch. By the way, it's Saturday. We got here at 6:45-ish. I was excited last night, so I couldn't sleep till 1:30. Because I was excited to come back here. Beach is putting in this puzzle together.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude. That must go in first. Yeah. Holy crap. Connor, you're a maniac that you made it like this. But good job, dude. You made it happen. Did that need to go in before the ducting? Don't say that. No. Wait, go in. Here, give it to me. Keep going. Oh, teamwork makes Supras come together. Oh, it even goes up to the roof?
Yeah. It must be flip it.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
If the windows were not out right now, we wouldn't have been able to do this. And this is a really tight fit. Because it there's no way there's any smoke or air coming through. For a practice car, this is next level. There's like a list of 8 or 10 things that need to get powder coated. The clutch is a little weird feeling because it doesn't have a Willwood pedal set.
What clutch do you get to run? Is it still the
Yeah, it's an ACT triple disc, guys. Best clutch.
Have you ran that with that transmission before?
Have we tested it yet? We only have 1 whole season of Formula Drift under our belt with that in Ola's car. Proven platform. Works great. Any questions, ask me about it. On a GSR transmission, yeah, we did it with that one. On a Hollinger, coming soon. On a Samsonis, already done. What?
Stop moving.
I'm balancing on one leg on a post here. How would you not move a little bit while filming and balancing? Okay. Okay, I gotta do more labeling on this. I only got about 50 to go. It's designated as, like these numbers here. And then he'll set it up, send us back one, then we'll put it in the ECU and try and fire it up. And we're hoping to do that tomorrow. Like we would have tried to push to do it today, maybe if we knew, but Ian's wife's birthday is today, so we're gonna try and do it tomorrow night. And yeah, happy birthday, Noel. And then everyone's birthday's around this time. Like Ola's was the other day. Tomorrow we'll know if it runs, and then I think we could almost drive it tomorrow too. Drive shaft is good, and you fix that brake line under there? We'll probably start it on Ignite fuel, but then later, because we're gonna do the flex fuel, we'll do pump E85, so it's a little cheaper, because Ignite fuel is kind of expensive. Harut is my buddy, comes to the local FD rounds, and he stopped by the shop today, and he got this for us, and we're gonna put it back here. Cool little touch. That's kind of cool. That's Chance Nation, he's here today. Whoa, you're going way too far with this, Chance.
What?
It's a practice car.
Yeah, but it can't look like crap.
Okay. Chance likes details also. Okay, we'll update you guys in a little bit here. Stay safe out there. Sometimes it rains. Mark fully wired these in. OEM Toyota plugs. You know, why not? Cause Toyota Supra. Very happy with how that turned out. Wipers going in. Probably only gonna run the center wiper and try and put it so it just gets driver area. But maybe for this event we'll do both wipers because it's gonna get real wild up there if it rains, and I'm gonna drive the entire time in the rain with this car if it's raining. Sorry, Supra. We're having fun, and we're gonna use 4 tires, but if it doesn't rain, we'll use all the tires. And then back here, we don't even have to run a battery box because the battery's away from the driver. If you're needing to undo stuff, you can still get to it right here. But we still followed tech and ran the boots. Everything looks pretty clean. We got taillights to install. I guess we can install those, they're done. But we gotta do the wiring back there. And then fab stuff in the front to dash bar, hold the center part of the headlights, and then where the bumper goes. It's gonna happen, guys. It's happening. We just need a lot of Ian's help. Will be the next step. Update later. I just thought that firewall was pretty cool. I gotta go to sleep, guys. See you later. I'm joking. It's Uncle Abe. Abe! If we need to, we can undo these because right now they're Clecoed in, and then he could have that out to work closer to there so he's not breaking his back. And Mark's 34, so he's like getting older now. Wait, no, I'm 34.
I'm 50.
Mark's 50.
I'm old.
He's a gentleman. Oh, this is done. We labeled this, now we're just waiting to put it in and pin this in too. It's coming along. Whoa, this is even cold just touching it. Yeah. Talk about keeping your stuff cold. PTP turbo blankets. Ooh, we got the new blanket to put on. Boom. We got the Sparko seat in. These blue harnesses. Gonna get this other shoulder one in. And I gotta secure it back here properly and zip tie it. That's why we left this little space behind the firewall. We got like a 3/4 inch gap back here, and it allows us for the harness to go down in. And then our reservoir for the hydro's way up here, out of the way. We'd still need to, oh, check that out. That's a cool little feature that we did. So the firewall's removable, but that stays in. I think we're going home. Back harness complete, guys. Complete. Back's done. Tomorrow, another 12-hour day. We'll be closer, maybe we start it tomorrow. If not, we'll be like a couple hours away from starting it, and then whatever needs to get done, I'll finish it, and then start it Monday, and go to the dyno probably Tuesday. We bled the clutch and brakes today, but then it turns out our clutch bleeder thing on the bottom of the bell housing where we like to put it, it's leaking. I don't know why. They just wear out sometimes, but this one's brand new and it's still leaking, so I don't get why it's leaking. No, he's stuck.
Hey, catch me! Oh.
That means we might have to pull the trans out and go get another line with a bleeder made, which sucks. I don't know why this is happening on a brand new part. Kind of frustrating. So we find out tomorrow if we get to start it. So stay tuned. We got here at 6 o'clock and it's not, or 7 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock. We were here 14 hours, holy crap.